Good morning, everybody. My name is Basavaraju HM, HOD, Department of History, Maharanis Arts College for Women, Mysore, University of Mysore. Today I will be speaking on sources, part 3. Coming to the Satavahana period, we have a lot of indigenous books or records. Among them, in that first one, Gatha Saptasati. Gatha Saptasati was written by Hala, the 17th rulers of Satavahana dynasty. Gatha Saptasati was written in the Prakrit language because Prakrit language was the official language of the Satavahanas. Gatha Saptasati of Hala contains 700 romantic verses or slokas. Gatha Saptasati of Hala throws light upon political, social and religious history of Satavahanas. According to Gatha Saptasati, Satavahana rulers established their sovereignty over Banavasi, Chitradurga and Kolhapura. Another important historical evidence to rewrite the history of Satavahana period is that Leela Vai. Leela Vai throws light upon the military achievements of Hala, the 17th rulers of Satavahana dynasty. Another important historical evidence to relate to the history of Satavahana period is that Bruhat Katha. Bruhat Katha was written by Gunadhya. It was written in the Paisachi language. Bruhat Katha of Gunadhya throws a light upon the history of Satavahanas. Another outstanding historical book to rewrite the history of Satavahana period is Kathantriya. Kathantriya is a purely grammar book. It was written by Sarva Varma. Kathantriya of Sarva Varma also throws light upon the history of Satavahana period. Another important historical evidence to relate to the history of Satavahana period is the works of Kunda Kundacharya. Kunda Kundacharya was a Jaina Digambara scholar. He was a teacher of Satavahana princes. He wrote 5 books. One is Prabhatya Sara, second one is Samaya Sara, third one is Pravachana Sara, fourth one is Rayana Sara, and last one is Dwadashana Sekha. They tell us about the history of Satavahanas. Coming to the Gangas of Talakadu, we have a lot of indigenous books or records. Among them, in the first one, Loka Vibhaga. Loka Vibhaga gives us valuable information about the cordial relationship between Gangas of Talakadu and Pallavas of Kanchi. Another outstanding historical indigenous book to rewrite the history of Gangas of Talakadu is that Shabdavatara. Shabdavatara was written by Pujyapada. Pujyapada was a teacher of Durvanita, the great hero of Gangas of Talakadu. Shabdavatara Pujyapada also gives us valuable information about the history of Gangas of Talakadu. Another important indigenous books to relate to the history of Gangas of Talakadu is that Gaja Sastra. Gaja Sastra was written by Sri Purusha. Sri Purusha was not only ruler, he himself was a great scholar. Gaja Sastra also gives us valuable information about Gangas of Talakadu. Another important evidence to relate to the history of Gangas of Talakadu is that the work of Shivamara. Shivamara was also great scholar. He wrote 2 books. One is Gajastaka and another one is Sweta Bandhu. One is Gajastaka, second one is Setu Bandha. Both Setu Bandha and Gajastaka throws light upon the history of Gangas of Talakadu. The last important evidence to relate to the history of Gangas of Talakadu is that Chavunda Raya Purana. Another name of Chavunda Raya Purana is Trisashti Lakshana. Chavunda Raya Purana was written by Chavunda Raya. Chavunda Raya Purana of Chavunda Raya throws light upon the last rulers of Gangas of Talakadu. Coming to the Pallavas of Kanchi, we have lot of indigenous records or books. A number of books were written in both Sanskrit language and Tamil language. Among them, the first one, Kiratarjuna Vijaya. Kiratarjuna Vijaya was written by Bharavi. Bharavi was a court poet of Simha Vishnu, the father of Mahendra Varma the first. According to Kiratarjuna Vijaya of Bharavi, Arjuna of Mahabharata defeated Lord Shiva and got Pasupatastra from him. It contains 18 verses, a chapter. Another important historical book to rewrite the history of Pallava Sabkanchi is that the works of Dandi. Dandi was a contemporary scholar of Mahendra Varma the first. He wrote 3 dramas. One is Kavya Darsha, second one is Avanti Sundarakatha, third one is Dasakumara Charite. Dasakumara Charite, Kavya Darsha and Avanti Sundarakatha of Dandi throws light upon not only the history of Pallavas, they tell us about the history of Chalukya Badami. Another important historical evidence to relate the history of Pallavas of Kanchi is that Matta Vilasa Prasana. Matta Vilasa Prasana was written by Mahendra Varma. Mahendra Varma was not only ruler of Pallavas of Kanchi, he himself was a great scholar. He wrote a book called Matta Vilasa Prasana. Matta Vilasa Prasana of Mahendra Varma gives us valuable information about social demerits of Pallava period. Kapalika and Pasupata branches of Saivism has been mentioned in this book. Another important historical evidence to relate to the history of Pallava Sabkanchi is that Tirumandiram. Tirumandiram was written by Mamula. Tirumandiram contains 3,000 devotional songs. Tirumandiram of Mamula throws light upon the religious activities of Pallavas of Kanchi or Tamil Nadu. Another important historical evidence to rewrite the history of Pallavas of Kanchi is that the books of Tirumala Shai Alvar. Tirumala Shai Alvar was a Vaishnava scholar. He wrote 2 books. One is Nanamukha Tiruvantadi, another one is Tiruchanda Viruttan. Both Nanamukha Tiruvantadi and Tiruchanda Viruttan throws light upon the religious history of Tamil Nadu or the religious history of Pallavas of Kanchi. Another important poetry was Andal. Andal wrote 2 books. One is Nachiyar Tirumali, another one is Tirupavai. Both Nachiyar Tirumali and Tirupavai of Andal gives us valuable information about the religious activities or religious life of the people of Pallavas of Kanchi. 63. The writings of 63 Nayanars of Saivism and the writings of 12 Alvars of Vaishnavism gives us valuable information about the religious history of Pallavas of Kanchi. Coming to the Cholas of Tanjore, we have a lot of indigenous books. In that first one, Kalinga Tupparani. Kalinga Tupparani was written by Jayagondar. So Kalinga Tupparani of Jayagondar gives us valuable information about the military expeditions of Kulatunga Chola the first. Another important historical evidence to rewrite the history of Cholas of Tanjore is that Jivika Chintamani of Tiruttekka Devanar. Jivika Chintamani of Tiruttekka Devanar also gives us valuable information about the history of Cholas of Tanjore. Kamba's Kambaramayana, Periya Puranam of secular and Veerasolium of Buddha Misra. Buddha Misra wrote Veerasolium. secular Periya Purana and Kamba Ramayana throws light upon the religious history or religious activities of Cholas of Tanjore. Coming to the Chalukyas of Badami, we have a lot of indigenous books. So in that first one, Kaumudi Mahosava. Kaumudi Mahosava was written by Vijay Bhattarike. Another name of Vijay Bhattarike is Vajjika. Kaumudi Mahosava gives us valuable information about the political history of Chalukya Badami. So Kaumudi Mahosava throws light upon the marriages between Kalyana Varma of Pataliputra and Kirtimati of Mathura. Another important historical evidence to rewrite the history of Chalukya Badami is that Harsha Charita. Harsha Charita was written by Banabhatta. Harsha Charita of Banabhatta throws light upon the achievements of Pulikesi II, the great hero of South India. So another important historical evidence to relate to the history of Chalukya Badami is that Vikramanka Devacharita. Vikramanka Devacharita was written by Billana. Vikramanka Devacharita of Billana gives us valuable information about the lineage and origin of Chalukya Badami. So this is the story of